Hi, it's John and welcome once again to Jam Live Sydney. It's Tech Talk time again, and today we're taking a look at the new Manfrotto 460 gimbal. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It really helps our channel out. If you like the video, please give us a big thumbs up and ring the bell to be notified when we upload new videos. So let's talk about the Manfrotto 460 gimbal and compare it with the DJI Ronin S. Come with us on a Jam Live Tech adventure. So this is a very quiet release. I only noticed it this week on the B&H website. I'll of course link it below if you want to go and check it out. What there is says there are two models available. The 220 for a 2.2 kilogram weight limit and the 460 for a 4.6 kilogram weight limit, which compare in size and weight capability to the Ronin SC and S. I've ordered the 460 and B&H are saying they will ship it on the 31st. So of course I'll give a full detailed review once I have the gimbal in my hands. I've had the Ronin S since release and I have to tell you it's the best gimbal I own. I just love it to bits, so it'll be hard to replace it. But Manfrotto make a very interesting argument. And with all the hype on the new Zhiyun-tech Crane M2 this week, Manfrotto seems to be something I would rather buy. Not that Zhiyun makes bad gimbals, I own two which I love, but let me explain. Manfrotto have been making camera support and tools for a very long time, and I do love their products. I've also on order one of their fast tripods and new heads, which I will review when it arrives. But I have always found the products I buy from them in great quality with a reasonable price. We can't compare these two in quality because the fact is we do not have the Manfrotto here in the flesh. But here's hoping they follow through with the quality from their other products and we get the same sort of quality with build as the Ronin. So when we look at features, the Ronin has had great features which are easy to use, which I've been really happy with. But the Manfrotto just has what I can see more with around the same price tag. So let's take a look at some of the things I like about the Manfrotto. Firstly, it has this large touchscreen display which lets you access most of the modes and settings for the gimbal. You can even program your time lapse and motion lapse from here. It does have an iOS and Android app, but you can do, by the looks, most of everything from here, even fine-tuning the motors to get them responding exactly how you like. This gimbal also comes with the focus motor and mounting accessories all in the one price, where it's quite an expensive add-on on the Ronin S. And it also comes in that same price with a remote controller, which I really like the look of. Another thing I like that's included is the extra handle which attaches to the gimbal. This is something that I bought as a third-party add-on for the Ronin S, and I would say has transformed it for me. You even get an extension which adds a little length to the grip. What I like about all this is that it all comes at the one price. It just makes the gimbal stand out from the rest for me. One accessory not included, but one I really like is the Gim Boom, which enables you to get aerial and low down type shots. I really like the idea and I've ordered one of those as well. With all these standout features and still offering everything the Ronin does, it just makes this product stand out from the rest. And that's why I ordered it. I'll let you guys be the judge when it comes in a couple of weeks. I think if you're in the market for a new gimbal, it's something maybe you should put on your list. I'm quietly confident this gimbal will create a new benchmark for its size, but we'll just have to wait until it comes and find out for sure. And that's it for this video, but please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a big thumbs up if you like the video. And we'll see you on the next Jam Life Tech adventure. Catch you later, guys.
Yeah.